Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking iOS and storage. Do it now so nothing stalls later. Next, pick a trusted VPN provider and subscribe. This gives you login credentials. Open the App Store, search the provider, and tap Install, fast and direct. Once done, sign in with the account you created, then grant the app permission to add VPN configurations. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Without a network, you can't complete configuration or test connections. Once the app has permission, follow its setup wizard step by step. Import a profile or accept the provider's configuration. Then go to Settings VPN to confirm the profile appears and that the chosen protocol matches your privacy needs. WireGuard for speed, ICAV2 for stability. Select a nearby server for latency or a specific country for content access. After selecting a server, enable any safety features like a kill switch and press connect. Watch for the VPN. Finish by verifying the VPN is actually protecting you. Use a quick IP check to see the server's location and confirm DNS isn't leaking. If the connection drops, first restart the VPN app. Next, reboot the iPhone or toggle airplane mode to reset network stacks. If problems persist, switch protocol or pick a different server, because sometimes routing causes failures. And if that still fails, contact the VPN support team with app logs. They can pinpoint issues and recommend specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.